Today, we're diving into one of the most profitable times of the year for dropshipping, Halloween. I'm talking about people dropping money on costumes, party props, spooky home decor, you name it. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you 10 Halloween products that are perfect for dropshipping this season. Whether you're on a TikTok, Etsy, or your own store like on Shopify, it doesn't matter. And hey, when we get to Halloween costumes, I'm going to drop a special tip to help you list those trending outfits on marketplaces without getting taken down for copyright. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Let's go. All right, starting off at number 10, we have an inflatable coffin ice bucket that pretty much just holds your drinks and ice. It's perfect for Halloween parties because we all know that during Halloween, a lot of people like to party. So it's also perfect for backyard bashes, dorm rooms, and the guy that takes Halloween and spooky season a little bit too seriously. This is one of those Instagram must-haves that people just buy to flex at their party. It's weird, it's pretty cool, and it sells. And the best part, it takes up barely any storage space until you blow it up. It really has instant viral potential. All right, number 9, a large decorative witch cauldron. This is a staple in Halloween decor. You can fill it up with candy, use it for, I don't know, punch or juice or whatever, or add fog with dry ice. These are all different ways that you can easily create content with a product like this. You can order a sample to your place using the AutoDS sample order feature, so you can start creating your own ads the moment that you receive it. Really, this one product, it can give you tens of hundreds, if not thousands of different video variations to start marketing immediately. And it also works great with other products. Think fog machines, themed spoons, spell books. You can bundle this and create an entire Halloween decor startup kit. This is one of those kinds of products that really anchors a Halloween party setup. It really sets up the entire scene. All right, number 8. Now let's scale it down a little bit. This one's also still a cauldron, but it's snack size. So it's perfect for things like chips, candy, punch, or party favors. These are smaller cauldrons that are awesome because people usually buy multiples. They buy more than one. You can offer bundles, party packs, or even sell them as part of your host your own Halloween bash kit. Plus, they're reusable, so parents love them for things like school parties. Number 7, Halloween inflatables. Next, we have the pretty much neighborhood attention magnets. These are those really big blow-up decorations that you stick in your front yard. Think about 8-foot ghosts, giant pumpkins, inflatable black cats, or even those huge 8 to 10, maybe even sometimes 20-foot skeletons. Also, creepy clowns and haunted trees are perfect for things like full-on graveyard scenes. Trust me, people absolutely love these, and so does TikTok. Not just for their own houses, but also for things like school events. You have trunk or treat setups. If you all don't know what trunk or treat is, it's pretty much when neighborhoods get together and they do trick or treat, but instead of going house to house, they just set up all of their cars and people or kids trick or treat out of the trunks. Honestly, what makes these inflatables such a win is that they're really just zero effort for the buyer. Just plug it in and boom, the whole yard's spooky and festive. No crafting, no climbing, no ladders, none of that stuff. No gluing spiders to your porch. And content-wise, again, these things are perfect for TikTok and Instagram. A 12-foot inflatable witch flapping around in the wind, it's instant comedy. People are going to absolutely love that. All right, number 6. Now, we're talking about cozy Halloween vibes. So think about just staying in for Halloween, right? Sometimes the older people, like myself, us older millennials, Halloween now is not the way that it used to be, so we just like to chill at home sometimes, right? So this next one is a handmade ghost bucket planter. These are adorable little buckets shaped like ghosts. The target audience here, again, millennials, apartment dwellers, people that love to be at their apartments or their houses, and people that like to really just decorate their desks. Now, it's also great for a gift item. It's great for photo setups. And people who buy one might grab a few more for their friends. All right, number 5. This is actually one of my favorite ones because I love the aesthetic of it. I love how it looks. It's classy and it's kind of creepy. And it's also vintage. So it's a vintage style LED lantern that looks like an old kerosene lamp, but modern and battery powered. These things give vintage spooky vibes and people love them. I'm totally here for it. It's perfect for haunted porch setups, moody bedrooms, or witchy altars. They're also great for, let's say, non-Halloween seasons. Fall, winter. I mean, even though fall is Halloween, but still, you get what I'm saying. Non-Halloween specifically, not Halloween specifically. You can style these with things like cobwebs, skulls, moss, whatever theme that your store is pushing. They're very photogenic and they're very versatile. Number 4, the one that everyone has been waiting for, Halloween costumes. So let's talk about the elephant in the room, right? Or the costume in the room. Here's the thing, and we all know it. You can't just go on Etsy and list, let's say, a Barbie costume or a Wednesday Addams outfit, you're going to get flagged, you're going to get reported, or you're just going to get entirely removed for trademark or copyright violations. Here's a trick. Instead of name dropping Barbie, try Pretty Pink Movie Doll 3-piece set. And instead of name dropping Wednesday Addams, go with Dark Academy Gothic Girl costume. Includes wig and collar. You're giving people exactly what they're searching for without saying the words that get you booted. You can even say stuff like inspired by your favorite movie doll or perfect for spooky school girl cosplay. Just avoid anything with Marvel, Disney, or other big IPs in the title. All right, number 3, Halloween backdrops. These are awesome for things like photo booths. You also have things for family selfies, party setups, definitely content creators, and even haunted house walls. There's a backdrop for literally every theme. Haunted forests, bloody kitchens, creepy asylum walls, pumpkin patches, animated ghosts, whatever you can think of, there's going to be a backdrop for it. And since a lot of the times these are really thin, they can either be rolled up or folded up, so it's super easy to ship and it's super easy to store. Now, if you do want to get fancy, sell them with bundles. Bundle them with props, masks, or photo booth signs. Add value and sell more. All right, number 2. Now we're getting spooky. This is a haunted mirror that looks totally normal until somebody walks by. It's a motion activated haunted mirror. Then, bam, a screaming ghost face lights up. It's basically like a jump scare in a frame. They're really cool. These are great for front entries, bathrooms, or haunted setups. They're also the perfect product for prank videos, and these go super, super viral, especially during Halloween. If you're running TikTok ads, this is going to be your hero item. Record someone screaming when it goes off. It's instant engagement. People have some crazy reactions. And finally, at number 1, we have the Halloween projector. This is pretty much a cheat code for haunted houses. You can project things like animated ghosts, zombies, or any creepy scene onto your windows or even your walls. There's no mess, there's no setup. Just plug it into the power, plug it into your phone or your laptop, and start haunting. The best thing is that you can pull up pretty much any video or any scene that you want simply by connecting it to your phone or your laptop. Pitch it as the easiest way to turn your house into a haunted mansion. No fog machines, no props, just pure spookiness. And people love filming these and sharing them. So it really sells itself once it's out there. There you have it. 10 Halloween dropshipping products that are fun, viral, and proven to sell. From inflatable coffins to motion mirrors to costumes that won't get your shop banned, this list covers everything. Start selling early, lean into spooky aesthetics, and remember, avoid trademarks when it comes to costumes. Keep it generic. Keep it descriptive. If this helped you out, just go ahead and put a little pumpkin emoji if you can in the comments, and I'll go ahead and send you over the cheat sheet with all of the different products that I showed you in today's list. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with AutoDS. I'll catch you all next time.